Hello. Today we are going to learn email marketing in digital marketing. In Module 7 we have these topics: creating effective email campaigns, building and segmenting email lists, measuring and optimizing email campaigns. Creating effective email campaigns involves careful planning, strategic execution, and continuous optimization. Here are some key steps to create an effective email campaign. 1. Define your goals. Start by clearly defining your goals for the email campaign. Are you trying to promote a product or service, increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or engage with your subscribers? Clearly defining your goals will help you determine the key elements of your campaign, such as the content, design, and call to actions, etc. 2. Segment your email list. Segmenting your email list allows you send targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers who are more likely to be interested in your content. Consider segmenting your list based on factors such as demographics, interests, past behavior, or engagement level. This will help you personalize your emails and increase their relevance, leading to higher open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. 3. Craft compelling content. Your email content should be engaging, relevant, and valuable to your subscribers. Use a clear and compelling subject line that grabs attention and entices recipients to open the email. Personalize the content whenever possible, addressing recipients by name and tailoring the message to their interests or preferences. Keep the email copy concise and scan-able, using headings, bullet points, and images to break up the text. Use a clear and prominent CTA that directs recipients to take the desired. 5. Test and analyze. Testing and analyzing your email campaigns is crucial to optimize their performance. Conduct A/B testing by sending different versions of your emails to a small segment of your list and measuring their performance to identify which version performs better. Test different elements, such as subject lines, CTAs, content, and design, to continuously improve your campaigns. Additionally, use email analytics to track key metrics, such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates, to gain insights into your campaign's effectiveness and make data-driven decisions for future campaigns. 6. Follow email best practices. Ensure your email campaigns comply with email best practices and legal requirements, such as obtaining consent from recipients before sending them emails, including an unsubscribe option in every email, and adhering to anti-spam laws. Following best practices helps you maintain a positive sender reputation, avoid being marked as spam, and build trust with your subscribers. 7. Continuously optimize. Finally, keep learning and improving your email campaigns based on the insights and data you gather. Continuously analyze the performance of your campaigns, experiment with new ideas, and iterate on your strategies to optimize your email campaigns for better results over time. By following these steps and consistently optimizing your campaigns based on data and feedback, you can create effective email campaigns that engage your subscribers, drive results, and contribute to the success of your overall marketing strategy. Happy campaigning! Building and segmenting email lists is an essential part of email marketing. Here are some key steps to follow. 1. Offer a valuable incentive. Offer a valuable incentive, such as a free ebook or discount code, in exchange for visitors' email addresses. This is also known as a lead magnet. 2. Use a sign-up form. Use a sign-up form on your website or landing page to collect email addresses. Keep the form simple and easy to fill out. 3. Leverage social media, promote your email newsletter, or lead magnet on your social media channels to attract more subscribers. 4. Segment your email list. Segment your email list based on different criteria such as demographics, past behavior, interests, and preferences. This allows you to send targeted, personalized messages to each segment. 5. Personalize your messages. Use personalization tokens to include the subscriber's name or other relevant information in your email messages. This helps to build a relationship with the subscriber and increases the likelihood of engagement. 6. Clean up your email list. Regularly remove inactive or bounced email addresses to keep your list healthy and reduce the risk of spam complaints. By following these steps, you can build a high-quality email list and effectively segment your subscribers for targeted and personalized communication. It's important to stay compliant with data privacy regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA, when collecting and using email data. Measuring and optimizing email campaigns is critical for improving their effectiveness and maximizing their impact. Here are some key steps to follow. 1. Define your goals. Identify the key performance indicators (KPIs) that matter most to your email campaign goals. These may include open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, or other metrics. 2. Use an email marketing platform. Use an email marketing platform to send and track your email campaigns. These platforms offer features such as email templates, subscriber management, and campaign reporting. 3. Analyze your campaign data. Use the data from your email platform to analyze the performance of your email campaigns. Look for patterns and trends in your KPIs and identify areas for improvement. 4. Test and optimize. Experiment with different elements of your email campaigns, such as subject lines, content, CTAs, and sending frequency. Use A or B testing to compare different versions of your emails and identify the most effective approach. 5. Segment your audience. Segment your email list based on different criteria, such as demographics, behavior, and interests. Use this segmentation to send targeted and personalized messages to each group. 6. Monitor email deliverability. Check your email deliverability rate to ensure that your emails are reaching your subscribers' inboxes. If your deliverability rate is low, it may be due to issues such as spam complaints or outdated email addresses. 7. Stay compliant. Follow email marketing best practices and comply with data privacy regulations such as GDPR and CCPA to avoid spam complaints and legal issues. By following these steps, you can effectively measure and optimize your email campaigns for improved performance and greater impact. It's important to continuously test and experiment to stay ahead of the curve and keep your email campaigns effective over time. Thank you for watching us. Stay tuned for next video.